As you guys can see, we are playing the original Sekiro on our Android devices using a Windows emulator. Let's get started. Yo, what's up guys, it's ApTreX here. In today's video, we'll be playing Sekiro Shadows Die Twice on our Android devices with the help of a Windows emulator for Android. We'll be using the latest Winlator Glibc version 7.1.3 to emulate the Sekiro PC game on our Android devices with the help of this open source Windows emulator for Android. And you will also need to use a specific DXVK version which has been provided on their official GitHub page, which is going to be the DXVK 1.10.3. So you guys will need to add this Windows emulator on your Android devices, and if you have still not set it up, then I'll put an video on the iCard above which explains how to set up this Windows emulator on Android. But before getting started, if you guys are new here, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on all notification, because on our channel we do similar tests of emulating games on our Android devices. And here's our today's Google Play Store gift card redeem code giveaway which I'm doing daily on my channel. So if you also want to participate and win this giveaway, then you just need to be the first one to watch my video and claim the redeem code which I put in my videos every single day till September end. Anyways, once you have added Winlator on your Android device, let me show you guys the best settings to play Sekiro on it. First of all, we'll need to use the latest Box 64 0.3.1 version along with the normal performance preset. We don't need to modify this preset because the save flags level are set to 1. So this is the preset that we'll be using for today's video along with the latest Box 64 version. Once that has been done, we'll simply tap on tick mark, and yeah, you'll need to manually import the Box 64 version 0.3.1 given on the official GitHub page of Winlator Glibc. Anyways, once that has been done, we'll need to create or modify the container that you previously created. Screen size, make sure to set it to 960 by 544p for 16:9 aspect ratio. Graphics driver, go with the Turnip 24.1.0 graphics driver. In terms of DXVK, as I told you guys before, you'll need to import the 1.10.3 version 1 DXVK configuration once again from the official Winlator Glibc GitHub page. And yeah, that's about it. Once that has been done, audio driver, set it to pulse audio. Show FPS has been turned on, and if we scroll down, GPU name, you can keep it as anything. I'll set it as GTX 1050. Video memory size is set to 4GB, and if we go to the advanced section, you guys will be able to see startup selection is set to aggressive, and processor affinities have been tick marked. Once that has been done, select the performance preset here as well, and that's about it. I have also created a DXVK HUD for FPS. Anyways, I'll simply tap on the tick mark option and we'll run our container that we just created. This method is very efficient because we are not using any sort of cloud streaming platform to cloud stream Sekiro on our Android devices. We'll be directly emulating it on a mobile device. So here are the minimum requirements. You need at least 8GB of RAM, Snapdragon 690 processor or above, and that's about it. Android version 10 or above as well. Once that has been done, we'll simply open Sekiro game on our Android devices, and while it's being opened, we'll go to input controls and set the input controls as virtual gamepad. Now when you open this game for the first time, you might see a freezing issue where the FPS will just show 3.7 or 3.8. Well, the simple fix for this is wait for few seconds until your FPS starts, and here you'll be able to see the FPS has now started going up to 30, 31, etc. So just be patient. This game will 100% work on your Android devices as it is from Activision, and Activision games are very well supported on Winlator Android. Anyways, it will show press any button to start. I'll simply press the A button on my virtual gamepad on screen touch controls. Afterwards, you will see it is creating a save data and loading save states, etc. Now at this moment, you will simply need to wait for few seconds, and when it says could not connect, you just have to tap on the cancel button and run this game in offline mode. Here we'll be able to continue our game or create a new game if you haven't played it before. So I'll press on the new game option, and our game will successfully start within few seconds. So as you might be able to hear, even the voiceover, narration, sound, everything is working. And let's take a look at this cutscene. You will be able to see it's running properly at straight up 60 FPS. And yeah guys, this is how you play Sekiro Shadows Die Twice on Winlator Glibc version. Now I'll be posting a dedicated gameplay of this game running on my Android device pretty soon. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on all notifications. So anyways, that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.